If the Earth was the size of a tennis ball, then the sun would be this 2-story house. And we're not even close to being big yet. The moon is this colourful marble you tried to swallow as a child, floating around 2 meters away from tennis ball Earth. As we move away from Earth, we come across Mars, aka Timothy Chalamet's orange ping pong ball, which on average is around 1.1 kilometers away from Earth. The sun is this massive burning house which would be located 787 meters away, which is nearly 8 football pitches in between the Earth and the sun. If we scale the entire solar system from one end to the other, it turns out to be 62.1 kilometers in diameter. At this scale, if you walked at a steady pace of 5 kilometers per hour, it would take you 12 hours to get from one end to the other. Feel small yet? The closest star to us is called Proxima Centauri. It's located 4.24 light years away from us. At tennis ball Earth scale, if you put the tennis ball down on the floor on Earth, Proxima Centauri will be a large exercise ball located a little more than halfway to the moon. Okay, let's take things to the next level and move on to boss man Mr. Milky Way. This is where human scale comparisons stop making sense, and I start having a mental breakdown. Remember the solar system? Yeah, it's here. One of those tiny pixels you see on your screen, out of 100 billion stars. And here is how far our radio waves have traveled throughout history, meaning if these guys, who loved the claw, lived right here, they'd have absolutely no idea about our existence. The Milky Way spans over 100,000 light years across, which is equivalent to 946 quadrillion kilometers, or 482 quintillion, 690 quadrillion, 330 trillion, 233 billion, 714 million, 285,714 Dwayne "The Rock" Johnsons. If we zoom out, we can see the local group, which spans 10 million light years across and contains more than 50 galaxies, including the Andromeda Galaxy, which is low-key heading our way at a crazy speed because she was sick of the long-distance relationship. When we zoom out again, we get to the Virgo supercluster that contains hundreds of groups of galaxies that spans 110 million light years across. Each pixel of light is a galaxy. Yes, it keeps going. Buckle up. As we zoom another time, we get to the Laniakea supercluster, which makes the Virgo supercluster look like an infant child. This contains around 100,000 galaxies and spans 520 million light years across. And finally, we zoom out to see the entire observable universe, which is an insane 93 billion light years across. The number of galaxies in the entire observable universe is estimated to be about 2 trillion, meaning there's on average 200 sextillion stars. Each star has an average of 1.6 planets, which means there's roughly 320 sextillion planets out there, many of which could support life. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. How many Dwayne "The Rock" Johnsons fit across the entire observable universe? I'm just kidding. I won't put you through that again. 448 septillion, 978 sextillion, 659 quintillion, 793 quadrillion, 464 trillion, 285 billion, 714 million, 285,714 Dwaynes. You're welcome.
So shut up, bitch!
What's beyond the observable universe? We don't know. For all we know, it could be infinitely huge and vastly more insane than we could ever possibly imagine. And yet, here we are, living on a tiny tennis ball Earth, trying to understand it all.